Hey, what's up people, it's a boy Avijoy here, back again with another video. So I'm just here to share one trick of the GitHub, and it is a simple trick, so I'm gonna just show up quickly. So just first you need to go to your GitHub, your repositories. So pick a repository. I'm picking up one of mine. So yeah, now you can see we are into the repository. So there is a one trick that you can actually use VS Code on your browser and open your repository as it is opened on your VS Code when you sync it up with the editor. So to get it, you just go to the link that is your repository link and just type there 1s and then hit enter, and you can see GitHub 1s editor, that is your favorite, our favorite one and only, the VS Code editor will be appearing soon. So it will take just a couple of seconds, not a minute either. So here also to one note here, attention, is that this is not officially by GitHub, but yeah, surely till date it is not officially by GitHub, but GitHub can surely buy it soon. But yeah, it is a very nice feature, or you can see a trick, or you can say a browser extension, or etc, what you call it, web app. So it will be a different as of your normal VS Code editor. It will not have the themes or setup, but you can always use this part of the repository at ease on your browser. You don't need to have the VS Code, and you can surely check up your repos here and in a format that you always use. So not this old style where it is very hectic to see what it is inside your repo. So yeah, that was in this video, and hope to share more tricks and tips of like this one. So head up to subscribe and like this video and share this video, and I will catch you up in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye, see you, peace.